Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly. Today I'll teach you how to calculate percentage of gross profit to sales. So let's get started. Okay, here look at the question on the screen. Kamal's business had sales for the year ended 31st December 2021 of $75,000. Okay, and her cost of goods sold was $52,500. Okay, she had the expenses of $7,500. Okay, so in this business we have here cost of goods sold, we have here sales, and we also have here expenses. Okay, which is $7,500. Okay, now from this information we have to calculate percentage of gross profit to sales. Okay, so you know this is a common topic in analysis and interpretation chapter of your accounting syllabus. So I'll show you now how to calculate this one. Okay, so first of all you need to know the formula, how to calculate. What is the formula to calculate this percentage? So we know percentage of gross profit to sales equal to what? Do you know this formula? Yes, it is gross profit divided by sales. Yeah, it is also called revenue. Okay, times 100. We have here cost of goods sold, we have here expenses and sales revenue, but there is no gross profit. So first of all we need to calculate our gross profit. So how to calculate gross profit? Okay, we know gross profit equal to GP, gross profit equal to sales revenue minus cost of goods sold. Okay, or you can say cost of sales. Cost of sales and cost of goods sold, similar terms. Okay, now here what is our sales in the question? It is $75,000. Okay, our cost of goods sold is given, which is $52,500. Yeah, so now if we subtract we get $22,500. So this is our gross profit. Okay, now we have to put this value here. Okay, so if we write here the gross profit, we calculated $22,500. we have already sales revenue $75,000 in the question. So then if we multiply by 100 here, then after all these calculations we get 30%. Okay, very simple, very easy calculations, but you have to know this. Okay, and this. Okay, so this is the way to calculate percentage of gross profit to sales. I hope you understood how to calculate this. Okay, so next time I'll show you how to calculate percentage of net profit to sales. Okay, so this is our today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed and you understood. It's a quick lesson. So please consider subscribing to my channel, because there you will find a lot of accounting tutorials uploaded only for you, so you can prepare yourself, you can learn accounting. Okay, so I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, you stay safe. Bye bye and take care.